This video is a follow-up to the previous video on pH called What is pH? This video is going to talk about indicators. Acid-base indicators are substances that change color to indicate how acidic or basic something is. One that you may have heard of before is called litmus. Litmus paper is often used. If you do happen to have a hot tub and it's your chore to go and check the pH, you probably have some kind of litmus paper you use to do that. But there's lots of different kinds of indicators. A chemist might select the appropriate indicator for what they think is the pH range that they're testing. Some indicators are better for certain pHs than others, as you'll see. So these lines correspond to the pH scale. So neutral here would be a 7, 14 would be our most basic, and 0 would be our most acidic. So you can see that litmus paper changes color right at pH 7. So if you took a piece of litmus paper and you dipped it in a solution and if it turned blue, that would tell you it's a basic solution. It wouldn't tell you much more than that. It would just tell you it's basic, which means it's between 7 and 14. Okay, now you might want to be more specific because that's quite a large range. So a typical question you might get, something like, let's say you had an acidic solution and you wanted to get the approximate pH. You use two different indicators, methyl orange and methyl red. So first you use the methyl orange, and you found that in the methyl orange, the indicator was yellow. Okay, so it's yellow. So that tells you that in this here it's going to be kind of reddish yellow, or orangey, and then yellow right here. So it's going to have a pH greater than be 7, 6, 5, 4. So just greater than pH 4. Okay, but let's say then you tested it with methyl red and you found that methyl red stayed red. Well, if methyl red stayed red, well, this is the point where methyl red starts to turn yellow. So by using both of these indicators, you know that the substance is going to have a pH in this range right here. So that's approximately just less than 6. Looks like about maybe between 5.5 and 6. Between 5.5 to 6. Okay, so by using multiple indicators, you can narrow down the pH range.